Pollen count is remarkably very high in UK these days, and you should not miss these remedies to overcome it. The best remedy is to take a bath after you come from your work and get rid of all the pollen from your hair and your clothes. Make sure you wear a big hat so it will stop the pollen from shedding on your eyes or nose and causing intense sneezing. You can wear a mask as well, and the best is when you're taking an inhaler, try not to sniff it but just spray across the nose, so it should stimulate in the affected area.